This is a full 50-question CSCS mock test for 2025. Perfect practice for anyone preparing for the CITB Health, Safety and Environment test or applying for their CSCS Green Labourer card. You'll get clear questions, 4 answer options, and the correct answer after each one so you can learn as you go. Pause the video anytime you need more thinking time. If you're ready, let's get straight into question 1. Poor lighting on site can increase the risk of accidents. What should you do if a work area is too dark to work safely? A. Continue working but move more cautiously. B. Use your phone torch to improve visibility. C. Stop work and request additional lighting. D. Ask another worker to guide you. The correct answer is C. Stop work and request additional lighting. Question 2. What should you do if you find a trip hazard in a walkway? A. Step over it. B. Move it only if you caused it. C. Put a trip warning sign next to it and leave it. D. Remove it or report it immediately. The correct answer is D. Remove it or report it immediately. Question 3. Which of the following statements about respiratory protection is true? A. Dust masks protect you from all hazardous substances. B. Respiratory protection is only needed when visible dust is present. C. You must wear respiratory protection when airborne contaminants may be present. D. Respiratory protection is optional outdoors. The correct answer is C. You must wear respiratory protection when airborne contaminants may be present. Question 4. What is the safest way to move a load that might be too heavy to lift? A. Drag it slowly. B. Split the load with someone if possible. C. Bend your back more. D. Ask a colleague to watch you. The correct answer is B. Split the load with someone if possible. Question 5. You notice a split in the insulation of an extension lead. What must you do? A. Tape it and keep using it. B. Report it and take it out of use immediately. C. Use it for low-powered tools only. D. Move it away from water and carry on. The correct answer is B. Report it and take it out of use immediately. Question 6. What should you do if you accidentally disturb suspected asbestos? A. Stop work, evacuate and report it. B. Quickly pour water on it. C. Brush the area clean. D. Continue if wearing a dust mask. The correct answer is A. Stop work, evacuate and report it. Question 7. What color is a mandatory safety sign? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Yellow. D. Green. The correct answer is B. Blue. Question 8. Who is responsible for wearing PPE correctly? A. The site manager. B. The HSE. C. Your colleague. D. You. The correct answer is D. You. Question 9. What must you check before using a ladder? A. That someone has not used it earlier in the day. B. That it's clean and lightweight. C. That it is right for your height. D. That it's in good condition and secure. The correct answer is D. That it's in good condition and secure. Question 10. Why must you never remove a guard from a machine? A. It slows down the job. B. It voids the warranty. C. It exposes dangerous moving parts. D. It makes the machine louder. The correct answer is C. It exposes dangerous moving parts. Question 11. When entering a confined space, what is essential to ensure work can be carried out safely? A. Extra lighting. B. A standby person and proper control measures. C. A dust mask. D. Additional high visibility clothing. The correct answer is B. A standby person and proper control measures. Question 12. What should you do if a crane is operating too close to overhead power lines? A. Wait to see if alarms activate. B. Record it on your phone. C. Report it immediately. D. Warn nearby workers verbally. The correct answer is C. Report it immediately. Question 13. What is the purpose of RAMs? A. To explain safe working methods. B. To record worker attendance. C. To estimate project cost. D. To list emergency contact numbers. The correct answer is A. To explain safe working methods. Question 14. If you hear a fire alarm on site, what must you do? A. Finish the task you're working on. B. Wait for confirmation from a supervisor. C. Collect your tools before leaving. D. Leave the area immediately. The correct answer is D. Leave the area immediately. Question 15. A colleague collapses on site. What should you do first? A. Give them water. B. Move them to a shaded area. C. Raise the alarm and follow emergency procedures. D. Carry them to the site office. The correct answer is C. Raise the alarm and follow emergency procedures. Question 16. Hand-on vibration syndrome is caused by prolonged exposure to what? A. Vibration from tools. B. Falling objects. C. Electrical currents. D. Loud noise. The correct answer is A. Vibration from tools. Question 17. When working near excavations, what is the main safety concern? A. Soil color and texture. B. Risk of ground collapse. C. Weather conditions. D. The presence of loose tools. The correct answer is B. Risk of ground collapse. Question 18. Why should you never climb onto an excavator bucket? A. It is usually wet or slippery. B. Operators prefer that you do not. C. Buckets are not designed for access. D. It can damage the bucket teeth. The correct answer is C. Buckets are not designed for access. Question 19. A scaffold platform has no visible tag. What should you do? A. Avoid using it and report it immediately. B. Only use the lower lifts. C. Use it carefully. D. Continue using it if it looks safe. The correct answer is A. Avoid using it and report it immediately. Question 20. What does COSHH legislation cover? A. Ladders and work at height equipment. B. Hazardous substances and materials. C. Heavy plant maintenance. D. Electrical tools and testing. The correct answer is B. Hazardous substances and materials. Question 21. What must you do when working in a designated hearing protection zone? A. Lower your voice when speaking. B. Wear gloves and protective eyewear. C. Report to the site manager before entering. D. Wear ear defenders. The correct answer is D. Wear ear defenders. Question 22. A power tool begins vibrating more than usual. What should you do? A. Continue using it if wearing gloves. B. Apply oil to reduce vibration. C. Report it and stop using it. D. Switch hands frequently while using it. The correct answer is C. Report it and stop using it. Question 23. How should compressed gas cylinders be stored on site? A. Upright and securely fastened. B. Freestanding with no restraints. C. Lying horizontally. D. Under stairwells or covered walkways. The correct answer is A. Upright and securely fastened. Question 24. Why is reversing a vehicle on site considered high risk? A. It uses more fuel. B. The driver has reduced visibility behind the vehicle. C. The reversing alarm is loud. D. Vehicles reverse more slowly. The correct answer is B. The driver has reduced visibility behind the vehicle. Question 25. Who is permitted to design a lifting plan for lifting operations? A. Any experienced site worker. B. The newest member of the team. C. The client or project owner. D. A competent and appointed person. The correct answer is D. A competent and appointed person. Question 26. Your high visibility vest is too dirty to be seen clearly. What must you do? A. Wear it until the end of the shift. B. Wash it when you get home. C. Replace it immediately. D. Turn it inside out. The correct answer is C. Replace it immediately. Question 27. What is the safest way to prevent skin burns when handling wet cement? A. Add more water to dilute the mixture. B. Wear gloves and avoid skin contact. C. Work more quickly. D. Stand further away from the cement. The correct answer is B. Wear gloves and avoid skin contact. Question 28. Why must access routes and walkways be kept clear at all times? A. To help vehicles maneuver. B. To prevent slow pedestrian movement. C. To ensure safe emergency escape routes. D. To make inspections easier. The correct answer is C. To ensure safe emergency escape routes. Question 29. What is the purpose of a permit to work system? A. To allow workers to smoke in certain areas. B. To manage and control high-risk activities. C. To plan worker holiday schedules. D. To monitor working hours. The correct answer is B. To manage and control high-risk activities. Question 30. What does an amber or yellow safety sign indicate? A. A prohibited action. B. A mandatory instruction. C. A fire safety point. D. A warning or caution about a hazard. The correct answer is D. A warning or caution about a hazard. Question 31. Before using power tools outdoors, what must you ensure? A. That the tool speed is increased. B. That tools are weatherproof or properly protected. C. That all guards are removed. D. That the tool has been warmed with a blowtorch. The correct answer is B. That tools are weatherproof or properly protected. Question 32. Which of the following statements about low-level work at height is true? A. Low falls rarely injure anyone. B. Small platforms do not require inspection. C. Even low falls can cause serious injury. D. Work under 1 meter needs no safety measures. The correct answer is C. Even low falls can cause serious injury. Question 33. When lifting a load from the ground, what should you do? A. Stay close to the load. B. Lift using your back. C. Twist your body while turning. D. Pull the load sharply. The correct answer is A. Stay close to the load. Question 34. What does an emergency stop button do? A. Logs off machinery controls. B. Stops the equipment immediately. C. Resets the machine to factory settings. D. Activates CCTV recording. The correct answer is B. Stops the equipment immediately. Question 35. When is it safe to work in or near a trench? A. When the soil appears firm. B. When the trench is less than 1 meter deep. C. When supports or shoring have been installed and inspected. D. When the weather is dry. The correct answer is C. When supports or shoring have been installed and inspected. Question 36. What should you do if you witness unsafe behaviour on site? A. Report it immediately. B. Ignore it and continue working. C. Film it for evidence. D. Warn the worker by shouting. The correct answer is A. Report it immediately. Question 37. What are tool tethers used for when working at height? A. Labeling tools with worker names. B. Preventing tools from being stolen. C. Preventing tools from falling. D. Improving grip when using tools. The correct answer is C. Preventing tools from falling. Question 38. Which of the following is a common symptom of heat stress? A. Shivering. B. Heavy sweating and dizziness. C. Cold and pale skin. D. Slow and shallow breathing. The correct answer is B. Heavy sweating and dizziness. Question 39. How can slips on wet surfaces be reduced? A. Wear heavier boots. B. Increase lighting in the area. C. Walk faster to avoid standing water. D. Use slip-resistant footwear. The correct answer is D. Use slip-resistant footwear. Question 40. Why is a damaged extension lead dangerous? A. It may expose live electrical wires. B. It reduces power delivery to tools. C. It becomes tangled easily. D. It is harder to coil and store. The correct answer is A. It may expose live electrical wires. Question 41. Which type of fire extinguisher should be used on electrical fires? A. Foam extinguisher. B. Water extinguisher. C. Wet chemical extinguisher. D. CO2 extinguisher. The correct answer is D. CO2 extinguisher. Question 42. Who is permitted to operate plant machinery on site? A. Anyone wearing suitable PPE. B. Anyone who has watched someone else operate it. C. Only trained and authorized operators. D. Anyone with a full UK driving license. The correct answer is C. Only trained and authorized operators. Question 43. Before using a disc cutter, what must you check? A. The color of the disc. B. The expiry date and condition of the disc. C. Who used it last. D. That the disc is the cheapest available. The correct answer is B. The expiry date and condition of the disc. Question 44. What does the term hot works refer to? A. Any work completed in summer. B. Using PPE that increases body temperature. C. Working near boilers. D. Welding, grinding, or tasks producing heat or sparks. The correct answer is D. Welding, grinding, or tasks producing heat or sparks. Question 45. Why is manual handling training important? A. To help workers lift faster. B. To reduce the risk of injury. C. To improve teamwork on site. D. To eliminate the need for mechanical aids. The correct answer is B. To reduce the risk of injury. Question 46. If your protective gloves become torn during work, what must you do? A. Tape them temporarily. B. Borrow gloves from a colleague. C. Replace them immediately. D. Remove them and continue working. The correct answer is C. Replace them immediately. Question 47. What is the main danger when working near live underground or overhead services? A. Electrocution or explosion. B. Exposure to loud noise. C. Getting clothes dirty. D. Slow progress due to restrictions. The correct answer is A. Electrocution or explosion. Question 48. Why must ladders always be set at the correct angle? A. To prevent unnecessary wear. B. To keep the ladder visually straight. C. To allow workers to climb faster. D. To avoid slipping or tipping. The correct answer is D. To avoid slipping or tipping. Question 49. What is the primary purpose of PPE? A. To replace all other safety controls. B. To protect against residual risks that cannot be eliminated. C. To promote company branding. D. To make workers more comfortable. The correct answer is B. To protect against residual risks that cannot be eliminated. Question 50. How often should safety goggles be cleaned? A. Only when scratched. B. Daily or when dirty. C. Once a month. D. Never. The correct answer is B. Daily or when dirty. Great work. That's all 50 questions. If you found this useful, hit like so more people can find these tests and subscribe for more CSCS practice videos. If you need your CSCS Green Labourer card, you can complete your Level 1 Health and Safety in a Construction Environment course online with ward training. The link is in the description. Try our free CSCS mock test on the website and check out the rest of our playlist to keep preparing. Thanks for watching and good luck with your test.